Hello everyone, we are back with Glen Velvet Reviews today, and I just got these glass cutters. I got the kind of the 15 piece. I got whatever had good reviews and the cheapest, because if you're going to use this for a job, or if you're doing more than, I'd say, probably 10 holes, I would not buy this. I'm only doing probably 4 holes, so this is going to be good enough for me. And I've never had to use these before ever in my life, so I'm not looking to buy any good ones, wasting money on that and then having it sit around the house and then I can't even find it when I need it anyway. So this is the 15 pack. I went with this one over the other ones just because the bigger ones have these little grooves in it. These are supposed to help cool it down, and also you could shoot water in there. So while you're doing it, I know they have these little ones on the top, but I think this gives it more cooling. The only thing is that these feel like total garbage. Literally, if I squeeze, I don't have that much grip anymore, but when I did have more grip, I could probably squeeze this together. You know, you couldn't do that with the other ones. So anyway, I think I'm going to be ending up using this. This one is going to be too small for the bulkhead, which sucks. You need 45 millimeter, and this is 40 millimeter. So I think I need 1 1/4, and this is 1.57. So that kind of stinks for me. So I think I'm going to be stuck using the 1.97 for the bulkheads for the fish tank. So we are going to do a review on this. We're going to use it on the fish tank together and see how good it is. Like I said, this should be good enough to drill through a couple holes for what I'm doing. But it definitely seems like I'm going to use this one. So I ordered the bulkheads. We'll do a review on installing those and what they look like in a couple of days. I think it comes in like 4 days or something like that. And that's it. So this is the unboxing review right now. We'll come back and we'll do a review on this going through the glass.